the Probex thinner microphone, the Probex 7D gaming mouse. I have a lot of Probex stuff, including my keyboard is from Probex, and finally, well, not finally, there's gonna be a lot more Probex that coming. This turning into a real Probex boy. This is a Probex surge protector with a 2 meter long cable. So plug in multifunction, 2000 watts maximum, anti-thunder, 100 240 volts. I guess that's the cable thing. Full compatibility. Now that's something, the same picture they have in the box of the keyboard thing and the mouse box. Heat resistant. It's nice. High quality. And full power mode. And you can plug in so many things like a printer, apparently a radio, what appears to be, sorry the glare, a TV, a large PC that appears to be a Probex PC case, and I did see a lot of Probex PC cases at the shop earlier, and there's the laptop. This is a 5 sockets. Is this applicable to any leads or sockets worldwide? Because now I don't remember the Xbox that they left me. This isn't the broken one. The Game Star is at Bing's house. This is a new one that he left in my house temporarily. And we have to play it backwards. Hang on, where's the light? You have to play backwards with the controllers and hard drive plugged in from here, because the power cable doesn't reach the sockets over there. So we have to, play backwards. But that's all gonna change. Because of this guy. Thank you, Probex, I guess. Now let's take the starter box. I guess this is another unboxing video. Becoming pretty bland, these videos, because I need them to be quick and easy to watch. Not too long. And this is kind of difficult because I'm doing it with one hand. But hey, it's for you guys, right? Alright, let's take this guy out of the box. Ooh, I usually love boxes, as you can see from my stack of boxes on top of my typewriter and on the table next to my briefcase. I guess it's a briefcase. Now, this is supposed to be a 2 meter long cord, so I guess that's pretty long. And I like the twist ties, I'm gonna keep those. I guess I'm kind of a box order, kind of a sentimentalist. I have like a box full of my Beat 'em On boxes and a box full of Beat 'em On points for the Beat 'em On collection. I guess I'll assemble it sometime if I have space to put the Beat 'em Ons on the shelf. Or if I'm ever really just interested in collecting Beat 'em Ons again, like from the ES series. But I don't think it's ever gonna happen because, like, I guess Beat 'em Ons died out from my country. Popularity was only for 1-2 years. And when the anime stopped playing, that was it, just suddenly died out completely. And that's kind of sad actually, because I really loved playing with Beat 'em Ons. I was actually making videos about Beat 'em Ons at the time on my old channel, which I will tell you about in my next video. Let's keep that there for now. Fairly long cable. Alright, let's plug this bad boy in. It's gonna make it so much easier to game. And oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, 3 of the sockets are already on. My mistake, I forgot to turn it off and I was testing the store. But now, I finally have the ability to charge Ivory for my desk, or maybe, and I can play with my PS2 and Xbox very easily now without, well, not my Xbox, it's more Brian's. I don't know why he left these PS4 discs here. You got Advanced Warfare and Minecraft. Minecraft PS4 edition, but they're not mine, and he left the Kinect disc for the Xbox. He didn't really give me a Kinect sensor. He has one, but it's for his Xbox. Let's see whether this works. Okay, first socket. She works. It works. Also, if you haven't noticed, I am recording using my new phone, and I've decided to name her Mari. Mari, the Okonyo 7. I don't know what's wrong with me. I name a lot of my devices, so let's try turning this on. This is a Sony Trinitron, 1980s, I guess 1990s TV. Let's bring on the volume. I'm supposed to use the adapter for the sound, so the graphics are downgraded a bit because I need to hook up the Xbox. And I'm gonna miss this TV because I'm really gonna miss this for a good reason. She works just fine. I think the Desert Storm 2 disc is in here. I have a lot of hand-down discs, I guess, and I have a lot of classic games for PS2. Nothing like Pac-Man or Donkey Kong. I wish I had those on my PS2 though. This is why the Xbox is flipped over. And I guess the disc has crashed yet again because this PS2 is kind of old. It was handed down from my uncle, so big thanks to my uncle, I guess. Thanks, Interpol. Yeah, and when I handed down discs, there's all those inside the CD holder, and a lot of the others that I can't put in there, neatly arranged by category inside my game hold. Shot. What's your name again? Jason. Yeah, I named Jason. That was weird. So, I guess that concludes. Let me try and turn this off. I guess that concludes my unboxing and review of the Probex 5-socket surge protector. I hope I get more stuff from Probex. If not, maybe Sony, because I am kind of a Sony fanboy, Microsoft fanboy. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.